36th District Court, State of Michigan is now in session with the Honorable Judge Marlena E. Taylor presiding. While court is in session, you must adhere to all courtroom guidelines. There are no eating, sleeping, driving, moving around, walking around. Please make sure all backgrounds are quiet. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Thank you. We have Officer Morton in here today. I appreciate her. I'm bringing in Ms. White. Ms. White, can you hear me? Shatana White?
Yes.
All right, turn on your camera for me, please, okay?
Okay.
All right. I'm now calling the matter of People versus Shatana White. This is ticket SP 1371486. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of Ms. White. Your name for the record, Miss?
Shatana White.
And
Right,
Judge,
Counselor,
this is the date and time set for a pretrial conference with respect to the matter that's before you. The prosecution is recommending a dismissal for valid documentation.
This time, seeing that she now has valid documents, the court is going to grant that request. I'm going to dismiss this without prejudice. Ma'am, make sure you always have your documents up to date and valid and in your vehicle, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set. Thank you.
Thank you. Have
Your
a
Honor.
good day.
You too. Have a good day.
Ela Williams is a dismissal.
Okay, cool. I'll call her in next. I got Preston West right now. Preston West? All right. Unmute yourself and sit up for me, sir. There you go. Now following the matter of the People versus Preston, Ryan West. This is ticket SP 1432434. Count 1, expired plate. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of Mr. West. Mr. West, could you state your name, please?
Preston West.
And Judge, good morning to you and your staff. Date and time set for a pretrial. Did discuss the matter with Corporation Counsel. They recommend dismissal for valid documentation.
Being now that he is valid and has his documents up to date, the court's going to grant that request. I'm going to dismiss this without prejudice. Sir, make sure always to keep your documents up to date, valid, and in your vehicle. And keep that license from being suspended, please, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, Mr. West.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Tequila Williams. Miss Williams. All right, now calling the matter of the People versus Tequila Dion Williams. This is ticket SP 1432763. 1 count failed to stop for a stop sign. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. And your name, ma'am? Miss Williams? Can you say your name, Miss Williams?
Tequila Williams.
Your Honor, on the docket, it's just
This is one case.
no insurance.
Yeah, the other one probably went into default.
And they're dismissing the no insurance.
Okay. Ma'am, did you take care of the default ticket that failed to stop for a stop sign or no?
Yes, I did. I paid it like 2 days after I received it.
Okay, all right, so I'm going to dismiss this matter. Counsel, do you have a motion?
Motion to dismiss proper document, Your Honor.
At this time, the court is going to dismiss the no insurance misdemeanor for valid documents and because you paid the civil infraction. Thank you, Ms. Williams. You're all set.
Thank you so much, both of you guys. Have a nice day.
You're very welcome.
Thank you very much, Ms. Williams.
Yep, all right. Thank you, Attorney Faulkner. You can log off, Ms. Williams. You look nice today, too. Thank you. Good morning. Good morning. Crystal Ware?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now calling the matter of People versus Crystal Danielle Ware. This is ticket SP 1346379. One count improper plates. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant, and your name, ma'am?
Crystal Ware?
Yeah, there is an offer, I believe, that she would plead to improper plates, the rest to be dismissed.
All right, ma'am, if you want to take advantage of that offer, please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. Ware, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own right and your own free will?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of April 27th of 2022. At that time, were you driving a Chrysler vehicle in the area of West 7 Mile and Blackstone Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving it, did you have improper plates on the vehicle at that time?
Yes.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulate.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to one count improper plates. The remaining 2 tickets will be dismissed. Ma'am, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
60 days.
All right, 60 days, you said?
Yes, ma'am.
September 25th, sound okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, September 25th is when the fine is due, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, Ms. Ware. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day. And I need to get Madam Snyder back for the rest of the matters. Yeah, okay.
Uh-oh. Can the court hear me? I'm sorry.
Yes, we can.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. I'm trying to get her back right now. Just give me a moment, y'all.
No problem, Judge.
Okay. I haven't forgotten about any of you.
I
Sorry.
kept, my other device kept jumping on and off, so
Yeah,
it's
it
like,
did. So I'm so appreciative. Thank you, Attorney Jefferson. I appreciate that. It was going clicking in and out, but I don't know sometimes.
no, I'm gonna have to take that back to the store. You know, it's
Okay.
my iPad. It's like,
Yeah, it's doing all that. That's not right.
right.
Okay.
Mhm.
Thank you, Attorney Schneider. Okay, so the tickets for Miss Jefferson, fine, and a couple of them need to talk to you, are going to be, use of loudspeaker without permission, drove through private property or alley to avoid signal, failure to disclose that he or she has CPL, I think it is, yeah, CPL, expired plate,
I'm at work. Okay.
drive unregistered untitled vehicle, and disregard officer signal.
I'll
And
do,
they're all from 23. All of them are from 23, the same day.
the CPL ticket will be with the state with Attorney Paula Cole.
Okay.
I'll do an improper plate. And I'll do the drove through alley and dismiss everything else and leave the CCW to the state.
I want to talk. Can I have a breakout room with you, please?
Sure.
And I'll reach
go
out
into-
to attorney.
Let's go to breakout room 30 and then Ben and Paul, if you guys want to talk to.
Okay.
Thanks, Alexa.
The person who's on the iPhone, what's your name, please?
Abdul Wilkins.
Okay, Mr. Wilkins, just.
Hello.
Okay, Mr. Wilkins, just one moment. Okay,
Okay, I need some help getting to the breakout room.
okay, I can put you in. Let's see. Okay, is that better? Is that better now, Miss Jefferson? Can you find your way there now? You're on mute.
I can't get to that breakout room.
Okay, sure, no problem. I'll put you in.
Is it a certain room number I should join?
Not yet, Mr. Wilkins, just a moment.
Okay. Hey,
Can you
kid.
send me the breakout room 31? Okay,
Oh,
here you go.
pretty. I didn't tell you how to stay in your room. I told you, don't snatch the toy from her.
Mhm. Okay, Mr. Wilkins? Can you get somewhere where it's quiet so that we can talk? I have you on mute now, so I can't hear you, but I'll wait until you can get somewhere quiet and we can talk. Just unmute it when you're there.
How you doing?
Hi, I'm well, thanks. How are you?
I'm great. I'm great.
Good. And you are Abdul Wilkins, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Wilkins, I have you checked in. Please put your phone on mute. I'm going to put you in a breakout room where you can speak with the attorney about your case.
Okay.
One moment. I put him in number 2.
Go get mommy. Tell mommy daddy on the court. Go get mommy. Tell her to put some shirt on.
Do you see the invitation to join breakout room number 2, Mr. Wilkins? Okay, great. The person who just joined us, what's your name, please?
Norman West?
Okay, just one moment, Mr. West.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I have you checked in, Mr. West. Mr. West, would you please bring the camera down chest level?
You see me now?
I can, thank you. I have you checked. Please put your phone on mute.
Okay.
Mr. West, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room so that you can speak with the attorney about your case
Yes, ma'am.
in private. Okay.
I couldn't get Doreen Washington out of the breakout room. We're ready.
That's all right. I'll do Attorney Faulkner. I also have an in-person person. Julius Whitfield, he's here. It is a drove while licensed not valid, and an improper land use. I checked his license, it's suspended still. So, I'm gonna bring him in the courtroom so y'all can talk to him. But I forgot. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
So she's going to get him right now, Officer Morton.
Marcel Wilkins is ready also. Or did we do him? No, we didn't.
So I still have left, Washington, Walker, Wilkins, 2 Wilkins, is that right? And then,
I've got Marcel Wilkins
okay,
and I
Is he
have
ready?
Doreen Washington is ready. Wilkins is ready. This one.
okay,
Um,
Is there anybody else in the breakout rooms, Mr. Faulkner, that need to come out and go in the waiting room?
I'm not sure. Let me
Well, I
go.
spoke to the gentleman that just arrived and he was in 2, but I think he's ready.
okay.
There's just gonna be a pre-trial
We
date.
just got one more person, Norman West, Attorney Werberlin, can you speak to him as
Yep.
well?
Where's he?
He's in room number 5.
Okay, I'll be back.
Yes, ma'am. Like this? Hello?
You're gonna go in a waiting room now, Mr. Wilkins.
All right, you have Mr. Washington, right, Attorney Faulkner?
Yes.
Okay, let me bring him, I'm bringing him in now. Doreen Washington? Okay, Now I'm calling the matter of the people versus Jareen Washington. This is ticket SP 1281034. Count 1, improper plates. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Fung, the representative defendant. Your Honor, your name, ma'am?
Jareen Washington.
Your Honor, there is an offer. It was originally improper plates he was going to plead to, but they changed it to defective equipment, which is better for the defendant. You
Okay.
understand, Ms. Washington?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we're ready to proceed on the plea to improper equipment or defective equipment, Your Honor.
Do you stipulate to the four corners of the ticket in order to establish a factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and so at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea of responsible to defective equipment. The remaining tickets are going to be dismissed without prejudice. All right, so let me find out how much the fine is. Discount one. Let me get you the fine for it, okay? Give me 1 second.
Mr. West, please remove the cap from your head. I'm gonna put you in a wait.
I paid something on, hold on. The default went in, and it should be 120. Overdue payment statement. Okay.
Yeah, all right. So the fine for it is $120. Typically with civil infractions, you have 14 days to pay it. Is that gonna be enough time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it's gonna be due no later than August 7th, 2023, okay? All right, there's nothing further. You're all set. Thank you, Ms. Washington.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Yeah.
Yes, these are- Okay, can you bring them in real quick? Yes. Attorney Faulkner, I'm gonna bring in that person for you real quick, okay?
Yes, Your Honor. Which person?
I understand. I'm gonna just step out for a second when he comes in.
Oh, you talk about the one that's in person?
In person, yeah.
And what was his name or her name?
It's Julian Whitfield,
Oh, yeah, I
Julian.
got,
okay?
mhm.
And he has those 2 tickets, improper plate, and he does have an improper lane use that may not have made it to the docket, but I'll hear it today. It's a 2023 case.
Yeah, improper lane use is on the docket, so.
Okay, fantastic. I'm gonna step out now.
You
Yes,
What did she say?
I say yes.
Oh, okay.